Hello friends, in this video let's talk about while loop in Python. Please subscribe for more videos on Python. Also like Facebook page for more technical updates. So let's move on to the while loop. So what is loops here? Whenever you have a block of statements, that block of statements need to execute multiple times. So that time we use loops. So if you really say this, how many types of loops we have in Python? So we have two type of loops in Python. Loops in Python. The first one is while loop. Second one is for loop. See, these while and for loops are common across the technology. You can see in the programming language, you can see in RDBMS, you can see in reporting or ETL tools. Now let's come to the while loop. So without wasting any time, so in this video I am going to talk about while loop. So what exactly this while loop is going to do is, so when you have a block of statements, so those block of statements want to execute multiple times. So let us say if you do not have a while loop concept or you do not know while loop concept till now, so you have a requirement saying that print like a print hello world 10 times. So like this, print hello world 10 times, hello world. So you will be writing like this print statements in Python like this, not 10 times, let's take it 5 times. You will be writing like this. So print hello world, print hello world, print hello world, print hello world, print hello world. If you really say this, same statement is getting printed multiple times. Okay, so let me show you the same in Python quickly. Go to this. Let's go to new file. So where I show you, let me save the file. Probably we need to save the file, then only it works. Let me make it as a while. Okay, so here we do it print, quickly print hello world. See, as I told you, this hello world needs to be printed 5 times. So hope you do not know that the facility of the loop. So you will be pasting these many times. When how many times they want, you will be pasting that many times. Okay, it's bit hectic to us, like it's a bit hectic work. So today it is 10 times, tomorrow you need to print the same in 1000 times. You cannot copy and paste. So as a developer, you need to think bit innovative. Okay, so that time loop come into the picture. When you want to execute same block of statement multiple times, you have a facility to control. So that time while loop or for loop come into the picture. So you can execute the same block of statement multiple times. So let me show you how to write a syntax, how to write it. Okay, the syntax is while, same syntax, while, condition, and block of statements. That's it. So here you need to follow indentation, proper indentation is required. So one tab space or some space required, you need to follow. It means that, so those are all come under while section. If you do not have a separate indentation, let us say this line is having like a 10 spaces, the other line is having 11 spaces, then it feels in a different way. So proper indentation is really required in Python. So let's quickly show you, let me show you the while example here. Let me remove, let me keep that as it is. So with one line I am going to show you that. So let me declare a variable I or a equal to 5, let us say 5, while quickly, while a space, a less than or equal to 5 colon, okay, print. So why colon is required is to say the next statements are coming as a block, that has to be part of this condition. So print a value, let me print a first, a comma hello, print hello world, so that I can say that this is the first time or second time hello world. Okay, now let's do the incrementation for the a equal to a plus 1. See here, it is starting as a, let's take 1. So starting as a 1, a less than 5, 1 less than 5, it prints a print 1 comma hello world. Let me put some space. 1 space hello world, then a equal to a plus 1, 1 plus 1 2, then 2 less than 5 it satisfies, then 2 hello world, like that. Let me run this. Still I have these many block of statements at the top. Let's keep only 5. Okay, to display the hello world 5 times I use the 5 lines, but here to display the hello world 5 times I use only 4 lines. But because my value is bit less, if you want 10 lines, now you can compare it. If you want to display hello world 10 times like this, you need to put hello world 10 times like this. 10 lines of code required. But here you are managing with only 4 lines. Let's run this. Before that we need to save it. Let's save it, run it. Now you can see this. This is the hard coded value which I used print statement. This is the one which we did with while loop. First time hello world, second time hello world, third time, fourth time, and so on. So this is how we do a while loop. So this is how a Python developer has to think of it, bit innovative, rather than copy paste the same code multiple times. Now, so bit we'll try a bit a different example. So I want a table of like a 5 table. When I say 5 table, so you know, right? So 1 into 5 or 5 into 1, whatever it is. So 1 into 5 equal to 5, something like that. 2 into 5 equal to 10 something, and so on. I need that kind of table. So how do I do dynamically? So I can do hard coded like this. I can put like this, print 1 into 5 equal to 5, 2 into 5 equal to 10, something like that, because I know the 5 table is very well. So I don't want to do that. I want to use a while statement to print that. How to do that? So let's define a equal to 5, or let us say a equal to 10. Okay, a equal to 10. So sorry, a equal to 1 only. A equal to 1. Now here print a. Let me change the print 1 here. So print, let me remove the indentation, let me follow the indentation. Yes, print. So what I am doing is a into a star 5. I told you the 5 is a table I required, right? Yes. So a equal to a plus 1. Now let's run this. First I need to save it, and let's run this. So do you see this? I have got a 5 table, 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on, like that, up to 10. So but I want to display, so 1 into 5 equal to 5, 2 into 5 equal to 10, 3 into 5 equal to 15, and so on, like that. So I want to do bit readability improve. I want to improve bit readability here. So now let's add that. How to do that is, first one is coming from 1 or 2 or 3 are coming from a. So let me make it as a, comma, and here 5 is a fixed value here. So let's put it in the single quotes, star into 5, yeah, you can put it as equal to some space, leave it, and comma. If you really see this, a value first time it is coming as 1. So 1 into 5 equal to 5. Next time when it comes to 2 into 5 equal to 10, something like that. Let me run it and show you that you understand better way. Run module. Now you can see this, 1 into 5 equal to 5, 2 into 5 equal to 10, 3 into 5 equal to 15, and so on. Now so 5 table, it's known to everyone. So now I want some complex table which I cannot think on my mind. Let me take a table of some 515. I want a table of like this. I cannot think of it. I cannot count based on my mind power. Okay, let's run this. Save it first. Run it. Now you can see this. So 1 into 515 equal to 515. 2 into 515 equal to 1030. 3 into 515 equal to 1545, and so on. So do you want me to put a heading here? Yes, I can put that. I can add some thing. Let me put it here. Print. Not here because it's a while. I cannot keep here. Let me print here as a print 515 table. Let's run this. So you want till 10 only, then fine. If you want to till 20, you can just simply change it at 20. Let's save this and run. My Python compile is a bit intelligent. It can calculate very easily. This is a 515 table, and these are all till 20. I can see this. Okay, this is how my while loop is going to work in the real time. If you really understand, same block of statement, these two statements is getting repeated every time till this condition satisfies. So here I use an incremental operator. Can I do a decremental operator? Yes, you can do decrement as well. Then how to do that is, but when you do a decrement operator, your value should start with maximum number 20, and here it is a equal to a minus 1, small change, and here a greater than or equal to 1. There is a small change, we have to do it. So first it starts with 20. Now my table is going to be start from 20. Here first in the first example it start as a 1 and it end as a 20 here. Now it start as 20. So now it start with 20 first. 20 greater than 1, it's true, and 20 into 515 equal to some value, and a equal to a minus 1. Okay, so now let me add some space also between this. I'm just adding bit friendliness to the user. So because user friendliness really required in every technology, so let's add some space. Now let's save it first. Hope you know how to save. Yeah, run it. Now you can see this 515 table, 20 into it start with 20 and it end as a 1. So now you might have seen the two examples here. So increment as well as decrement. Increment starts with 1 and it end with a maximum value. Decrement starts with highest value and end with a minimum value. So this is how we do a while loop in Python. So that's all about it. So if you have any questions on Python, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.